What's up guys, and welcome to Education's Daily Tech Tips, and this is the GoPro Hero 9. In today's video I'll be showing you how to format the SD card inside this GoPro Hero 9. Now of course you can take it out and format it using either your PC or your Mac, but you can also format it inside the GoPro, and I'll be showing you how to do just that. Right, so here's the GoPro turned on. Now what you want to do is go to settings, and to do that you just need to swipe down on the screen once and then swipe to the right, and that should give you connections and preferences. Now you want to tap on preferences, and that should take you to the preferences window. Now when you're here, what you want to do is scroll all the way down to reset, then tap on reset, and then you should see the option to format SD card. Now tap on that, and then this little pop-up window will appear telling you delete all files and reformat your SD card. That's exactly what you want to do, and tap on format and allow you to format the SD card. Now it may take a while depending on how much data was in the card initially, but just give it time. Should take a few seconds, and then there you go. So it's done, and simply go back, and now you can start using your GoPro, and you can see the SD card is now full. And that's basically how to format the SD card inside the GoPro Hero 9. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.